So, we've come a long way. We know if we feed these molecules to mice, they live longer. This one even works on mice, the synthetic one. So that's the sirtuins. Again, exercise, being hungry will turn these on. NAD boosters will turn them on. AMPK, that's the middle leg to the stool. This is the one that metformin will activate. Metformin is a drug for type 2 diabetes. It's probably used by at least 50 million people around the world, probably more. It's relatively safe as drugs go. The worst complaint typically is an upset stomach, which you can usually mitigate with food or a coated pill. And it turns on this pathway, which is combining with the sirtuins. These are talking to each other. This evolved to sense the levels of energy in the body. And when you didn't have enough energy in the body, let's say you were really hungry, it would turn on. So these are protective pathways. The last one, the third major one, is called mTOR, which was discovered by David Sabatini at MIT. And it senses how much protein you're taking in. And when you have low amounts of protein, it will defend your body because it thinks that you're running out of food. So these are all hormesis sensors. Bad stuff's happening. These genes get turned on, and they protect you from disease and aging. So what do you want to do? You want to not overload yourself with a ton of protein. So carnivores, I'm sorry, it's not backed up by the data because you're not going to invoke this guy here, mTOR. It doesn't mean you have to avoid meat completely, but it does mean that I think constantly eating meat isn't the right thing to do. Besides, what I like about eating vegetables is you can eat a lot more of them, so you're not hungry. This one you can activate by actually not eating as much food regularly, eat less often. You've got less glucose. As you can tell, I'm monitoring that. And then this one, exercise, also being hungry, and you can boost your NAD with a pill. And this is the best we've got right now based on all the science that we've got.